Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the upcoming Poco C75. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. So, what's the buzz about? The Poco C75 is all set to launch soon, and we've got some juicy details on what to expect. According to the leaks shared by tipster Sudhanshu Ambhor in collaboration with SmartPre, we have a pretty clear picture of what's in store. First off, let's talk design. The renders show the Poco C75 in three sleek colors: black, gold, and green. It features a water drop style notch on the front to house the selfie camera and a large circular camera module on the back. At first glance, the phone's design seems quite similar to the recently unveiled Redmi 14C now onto the display. The Poco C75 is expected to sport a 6.88-inch HD plus LCD touchscreen. That's a big screen, perfect for media consumption. And get this, it's rumored to have a 120Hz refresh rate. Smooth scrolling, here we come. Under the hood, the Poco C75 is tipped to be powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 SoC. It's a decent chipset for a mid-ranger and should handle everyday tasks with ease. You'll have options for up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. Plenty of room for all your apps, photos, and videos. For the camera setup, the Poco C75 is said to feature a dual rear camera system. This includes a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 0.08-megapixel auxiliary lens. On the front, you'll find a 13-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. Not too shabby for a budget-friendly device. Battery life is always a big concern, and Poco seems to have us covered here. The C75 is rumored to pack a hefty 160 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. That should easily get you through a full day of usage. Other features? It's expected to include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone reportedly measures 171.9 x 77.8 x 8.2 mm and weighs in at 204 grams. Finally, what's the comparison like? The Poco C75 shares several features with the Redmi 14C and seems to be positioned as its successor. If you like the Redmi 14C, you're probably going to love this one too. So there you have it. Everything we know so far about the Poco C75. Are you excited about this upcoming release? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.